Smith's Interconnect's L series of rugged high-density modular connectors employs a do-it-yourself system based on the principle of building blocks, offering a variety of combinations in a single connector frame. It's a flexible, configurable mix-and-match connector series with signal, power, data, fiber optics and pneumatic modules, and a vast selection of hoods and locking arrangements. The series offers a broad variety of configurations: floating, blind mating for rack and panel, and secure panel mount with hoods. The advanced blind mating for rack and panel applications is possible thanks to the guides that provide alignment for contacts and mounting to a device, whilst the float mount hardware allows connectors to mate if the mating parts of a system are not perfectly aligned. Additional key features of Smith's Interconnect L series include multiple frames, including plastic hoods with multi-turn jack screws or half-turn jack screws. Finally, the L series offers high reliability due to hyperboloid contacts, which leads to high mean time between failure, reducing downtime in operations, up to 100,000 mating cycles, and easy cabling with crimping or soldering process.